Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and thanks for watching my video. And today's video I'm going to show you and going to tell you, because actually a lot of people keep asking me about my summer internship last year, and a kind of my students and my followers on Instagram, they keep asking me why did I get into the internship, like a big company like Gensler, SOM, big kind of professional companies. So today in this video I'm going to tell you what portfolio you need to do and what is the requirements, like what kind of stuff and what questions did they ask in my interview. So make sure that you have to subscribe and hit the bell notification and like this video, and then you can share to your friends, your architectural friends or your schoolmates if you would like to. And kind of like that. So let me see. So the first question is asking what department or team were you a part of during your internship? So I was doing a urban designer planning team. Like I was doing the urban designer internship at Hong Kong office. Can you briefly describe what the company does? So I was doing at SOM. So SOM is a globally recognized architectural, engineering and urban planning firm known for its innovative and sustainable designs. They have contributed to the creation of iconic buildings and infrastructure projects, including skyscrapers, transportation hubs, and urban master plans. And I think that their commitment to pushing boundaries in design and engineering, while prioritizing sustainability and functionality, has made them a leading force in shaping the built environment around the world. So SOM got 13 locations, including London, New York, Shanghai, China, in China, and in Australia as well. So in Hong Kong as well. So they got 13 locations, 13 offices. So the next question is, what were your main responsibilities during the internship? So during my internship, because I was doing the urban designer internship, so I was trying to help the senior design team in creating urban design plans and proposal for various projects. So I need to researching on some urban planning trends and collecting some data on the site conditions. And kind of like that. So I was trying to contribute to the detailed site plans, the master plans, and the architectural renderings. So basically what I was doing is to collaborate with architectural teams to because actually I was doing a big project in China, so it's kind of good, like we got a collaboration with between the urban design and the architecture team. And so I was collaborating with team members to generate some innovative design solutions and to participate in some meetings, and contributed to project development and gaining hands-on experience in urban design and sustainable planning principles. So how did I secure the internship opportunity? So actually I was applying the internship, so I just randomly choosing some company is focusing on architecture internship, because I'm studying architecture and kind of like that. But because actually I was thinking about, if they didn't accept my architect internship, maybe they will accept my urban design internship. So that's why I just applied it architecture internship and urban design internship, both of them. And I applied it in February, and I got a message from SOM, the manager, and he told me that, do you have time to have a meeting together to tell me more about me and have a meeting and have an interview for me to kind of like that, and then talk about me, and later I will tell you what question did they ask for my interview as well. So kind of like that. And I was submitting a strong application that highlighted my relevant educational background and skills. This one is kind of a resume. And I was trying to networking within the architecture and urban design industry to build connections with SOM employees, and attending some career fairs and industry events, so I can engaging more with other people, like some company representatives, and showcasing my portfolio. So I just upload a kind of 30 pages of my portfolio to show my design, all my works. Kind of like that, and all my school works. I didn't do any competition because I was in first year, So I was in first year, I didn't do much competition, so I just upload some school works. Yeah, kind of like that. Some people may think that why did I get internship when I was in first year. This is a good questions actually. So for me actually I was quite learning a lot of software, for example Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, Rhino, 3D, kind of like Blender, Twinmotion as well, so some render softwares and some 3D softwares. So this is quite important whether you are in first year, second year or third year. This is quite important for you to learn a lot of software. So I learned a lot and do a kind of some projects for my school, and yeah, and I just put it into my portfolio and then I got internship. Yeah, that's it. And I think that the tips for you guys is to engage more people, and how you can ask people like me ask some other people, so kind of like that, and to stay proactive and ask questions and seek the mentorship and contribute some creatively. So join more professional competitions and kind of like that. This will gain you a valuable experience for future urban design careers and or architect careers as well. So someone asked me how did my internship related to my field of study. So I'm studying architecture. So I think there is quite a big relationship between the urban planning and architecture, because I think that urban planning is about big projects. It's about city scale, how we are going to lay out different areas into a big areas. For architecture, it's quite a specific buildings to focusing on the sustainable features in a building. For example, the structural system, mechanical system, pumping system, water system, electrical systems, all kind of stuff. So I think that this is kind of quite related to urban design, because actually architecture can fit into the urban design. So for example, if the urban designers just talk about what did they do about the master plan, and architect can apply it to their master plan, so they can put the building project into a urban master planning. This is quite effective, and it expands understanding of the built environment beyond individual buildings, and it can enhance my design skills for broader urban context. And I think that this internship often involved collaboration with architects, and landscape architects as well. So kind of like teamworks, and it can help me to explore more potential career paths in urban design or planning as well. Yeah. So someone asked me, did I have any opportunity to collaborate with other interns or any team members? Actually, they just hired me for my internship. So they hired one urban design internship and one architecture internship. So which means we just got two of them. And I didn't quite much talk with that architecture intern, because we were sitting like not in front of us, but just only far away. So I didn't have any much opportunity to collaborate with other interns, because just only me, just hire me. And for the team members, I think there's a lot, because we were talking about some solutions on how we are going to change the environment in China as well. So for example, in China, so this is quite have a big opportunity to let me to gain a professional experience. So how did my internship experience influence my career aspirations? So I think that this internship provided real-world insights and confirmed the passion for urban design. It exposed the practical aspects of the field, reinforced the commitment, and highlighted the importance of sustainable design and community engagement. This experience solidified the determination to contribute meaningfully to the field. So for the last question, it's about how has my internship experience shaped my personal and professional growth. So I was doing urban designer internship, so it impacted my personal and professional growth by providing some hand-on exposure real-world urban design projects. And this is has honed design skills and improved the collaboration with others, and this is quite different understanding of urban planning and development. And I've applied theoretical knowledge to practical projects, boosting confidence and competence. The internship has fostered a responsibility towards sustainable, inclusive, and pleasing urban spacings, and I think that this is I was contributed to my personal and professional development. So in the future, I think I can, because I'm doing architecture study, right, and I was doing the urban design, so I think that this is quite important for me to gain other knowledge and gain other experience, so I can have another perspective of other team. So this is quite good, and I can gain a lot of knowledge and skills from other team as well. Yeah. Thanks for watching, and I hope that I answered all your questions, and I hope that this helps you to apply some internship next year or maybe this year. And I hope that good luck for you guys, and I hope that you guys can get into some professional companies, big companies. And yeah, also, if you are new, my channel is doing some tutorials about some softwares. So for example, the Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, Rhino, all kind of softwares. So make sure that you have to check them out, because actually it helps you to get better on the software skills, and also it can help you to applying for internship or other jobs for architect and for urban designer as well. And I just uploaded and I just put some brushes for you guys. So if you go to Gumroad, so the link down below, and you can check it out, and I think that you can buy some, and I think that this can help you to use it for Photoshop, some brushes to do some rendering or do some floor plans, and yeah, kind of like that. So check them out, and alright, see you guys, and I hope that, yeah, see you guys, and make sure that you subscribe and don't miss out any video from me. Yeah.